Konnichiwa, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Japanese Faves series, where we'll cover every major type of Japanese food. While traveling in Japan many times, I developed a love of sake. I read several books about it, but decided to get some more formal education. So over the past few years, I obtained a Sake Advisor certification from the Sake School of America and a Sake Professional Level 1 certification from the Sake Education Council. Both are offered online, and I highly recommend them for anyone who works with sake or simply loves it and wants to learn about it. The next step for me was to obtain my Sake Professional Level 2 certification, which is only offered in Tokyo. I'm always looking for an excuse to go to Japan, so I hopped on a plane. This short video illustrates my trip, so let's start traveling and learning.